that appear.
Hey everyone, as you know, here at Sena, we want technology to help add to your ride and make it even easier for you without ever being distracting. Sena's handlebar remote and the wristband remote have been out for a while, and now we've expanded the line with the RC1, RC3, and RC4, making our line of remotes as customizable as the Sena devices. All of the remotes are compatible with Bluetooth 4.1 devices like the 20S, 10C, 10R, and so on. The remotes are water resistant. The battery life lasts for several months as well, and have a working distance of 10 meters, plenty far enough to mount it anywhere you need on your bike. Sena's new RC4 remote features 4 buttons, allowing complete control over your Sena device while mounted securely on your bike's handlebars. The RC4 is extremely thin, taking up less than a ½ inch of room on your grip, allowing for it to sit unnoticed until you need it. If the RC4 remote needs a little extra grip on your handlebar, add the rubber bands provided for some extra traction. To pair the RC4 to your Sena headset, turn it on by tapping the center button located between the plus and minus button. The LED light will flash showing the battery level. Press the plus button for 8 seconds to put it into pairing mode. Make sure your headset is in remote pairing as well. Think of the remote as just an extension of the headset. Therefore, you can use the remote or your headset to control your Sena. Reference the quick start guide provided with the remote or visit sena.com to learn the controls to operate your Sena through the remote. Next up is the RC3. This is a 3-button remote that comes with adhesive mounts or a clip so that you can mount it where you prefer. The 3 buttons allow for control over your Sena device, just like having a 10R with the 3 buttons mounted wherever you need. To pair the RC3, hold the plus button for 8 seconds to enter pairing mode, and make sure your headset is in pairing mode as well. As always, please reference the user's guides and visit sena.com for more information on how to operate your particular Sena devices. And check out the rest of our YouTube channel for more tutorials.